There are many products available to choose a doghouse, each with different characteristics, benefits. To help you make an informed decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and made a list of the best doghouse from renowned brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for folks like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my video description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Petmate Precision Extreme Outback Log Cabin. As you can see, the Petmate Precision Extreme Outback is another wooden doghouse, made of natural cedar wood, treated with a weather-resistant coating to protect your Fido from the elements. Like most doghouses on the market, it features an off-center door that allows your furkit to stay farther away from the door when it gets too cold. Plus a slanted, weather-resistant asphalt roof to repel rain and snow. It is also elevated and has adjustable feet to provide stability on all types of surfaces. The flip of it is that there are no door flaps to block the cold air from sneaking in. Also, it is not insulated at all, which you would expect from a cheaper product. Number 2. Petmate Indigo with Microban. What makes this doghouse stand out is its igloo-shaped design to prevent ice and snow from accumulating on top, and the offset doorway that offers better protection against the cold weather and rain. It also has a small air vent on the roof to allow for a continuous flow of fresh air to keep your furry friend comfortable inside. Plus, its raised floors and side moats to drain off moisture and help your pup stay warm and dry through the night. The Petmate Indigo also features a heavy-duty wall finished with Microban antimicrobial product protection that deters the growth of stain and odor-causing microorganisms, making it one of the best doghouses for winter. Number 3. Petsa Doghouse. Are you looking for a doghouse to keep your pup warm in winter? Consider the Petsa Doghouse, easily one of the best you can find on the market. It has an off-the-ground design and adjustable feet to keep the moisture and dirt away. It also comes with door flaps, which can prevent the cold air from getting inside, and that's something most doghouses don't have. Combined with a waterproof slanted roof to ensure water will not sit on top of it, not to mention the roof is also hinged to allow for easy access and cleaning. This best doghouse for winter is very durable, made of kiln-dried cedar planks, perhaps the best wood for making wooden doghouses, as it doesn't get damaged easily, plus is resistant to insects and pests. For this reason, you would expect a higher price tag, but it's worth it. Number 4. Pet's Imperial Extra Large Insulated Wooden Norfolk Dog Kennel. As you may have already known, wood is a natural insulator that can preserve heat and warmth inside. So, this large wooden doghouse that consists of timber, styrofoam, and plywood board can undoubtedly protect your furkit from the cold weather. The Pet's Imperial Insulated Wooden Dog Kennel is elevated with adjustable rot-free plastic cap feet, keeping your pup away from the cold ground. Plus, the door flaps to prevent the cold air from getting in, hence more comfortable. Additionally, the roof can be opened up, and floors are removable, so there shouldn't be any hassle when cleaning this winter doghouse. And thanks to its 2 support rails, it can accommodate large dogs that weigh up to 150 pounds. Number 5. Pet Zone Cozy Cottage Weather-Resistant Doghouse. At first glance, it looks like an ordinary plastic doghouse, but the truth is that it comes with double walls, which will surely provide some degree of insulation to keep your pooch warm. That said, lack of proper insulation makes it suitable for mild winters only. The Pet Zone Cozy Cottage Doghouse is durable, treated with a UV protective coating to protect your dog from the harmful ultraviolet radiation. It also has adjustable vents to allow for proper ventilation. Additionally, the roof is removable, so cleaning it is an effortless task. The best part is it doesn't require any tools to put together, and only takes about 5 minutes on average to assemble. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.